Order of modifiers. What is a modifier? A word, especially an adjective or noun, used attributively which restricts or adds to the sense of a head noun. Two common types of them: the adverb, a word that describes an adjective, a verb, or another adverb, and the adjective, a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Later, order of modifiers. Number 1, the determiner, article, demonstrative, possessive, and quantifiers. Second, position, the quality. We have examples: picturesque, beautiful, nice. And the size: big, huge, small, little, large. Then we have the shape: flat, square, straight, wavy. Then in the fourth position, we have the age, which is new, old, young, antique. Fifth, color: bright red, dark blue. Then the type is coastal, and nationalities can be considered types too. Also, don't forget that some nouns can work as modifiers like mountain, portal, border, etc. And then in our seventh position, we have the materials, which are iron, wooden, wool, plastic, etc. And then the noun, that are the names of cities, animals, places. And to finish, we have the descriptive phrase. It is a group of nouns, adjectives, or a verb that act together to describe a single noun: person, place, thing, quality, etc. Now a couple of examples. Cancun is a large metropolitan city with a residential population. Paris is a modern, large, old capital city which is full of history. And now to conclude with this activity, we have a small task, which consists to describe a place you would like to visit, a place tourists to your country want to see. And that will be pretty much it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful for you, and have a wonderful day. And thanks for watching.